kids. So today I'm outside because we are making a solar-powered oven to make s'mores just using the energy from the sun. We're gonna make our very own oven.
These are the supplies you'll need. So I have an empty pizza box, black construction paper, scissors, an X-Acto knife, tape, glue stick, plastic wrap, and aluminum foil.
We're gonna cut into the lid and make a flap. An adult has to do this part. Make sure we put away the blade after. You can also try this with scissors. It might be a little bit hard to cut the cardboard, but that step you for sure need an adult to do. Now I've created a flap within the lid so that I can still lift up the lid and there's a flap. Now an optional step is to decorate the top of this box. So you can draw on it, you can cut things out, you can decorate it however you want to make it look nice. Then I'm going to open up my box and I'm going to glue a piece of black construction paper right into the bottom. This black construction paper is going to absorb the heat from the sun. I'm going to take my glue stick, a nice quality glue stick here, and I'm going to glue it on in.
So now I have a piece of black paper on the bottom of my box.
Next, I'm going to take aluminum foil. You can see how shiny and reflective it is. I'm going to tape the aluminum foil onto this flap on the top, and this is going to reflect the sun into our little oven. So now the flap is covered in tin foil. Next, we're going to take plastic wrap. We're going to tape the plastic wrap onto this opening, that middle section of the box. So you can tape it onto the inside or outside, doesn't matter. Okay, now you can see, whoo, it's windy out here. I taped the plastic, so we have our metal portion, we have our flap that has plastic attached to it, and then we have our black bottom. The plastic over this opening will allow the air inside the box to heat up, but keep the heat trapped inside our little oven. Now our oven is ready to add our marshmallows and chocolate and graham crackers, and we'll leave it out in the sun, and the sun is going to melt them.
Now just leave it in a sunny spot outside until the chocolate melts and the marshmallow puffs up a little bit.